Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this 100% Chardonnay Blanc de Blanc champagne wine made in the Champagne wine region of France by famous wine producer Krug Champagne that belongs to the Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy group, the LVMH luxury French company. We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Clos du Mesnil $1,000 Krug Champagne wine, a very rare Blanc de Blanc 100% Chardonnay wine made by Krug Champagne. So how do you pronounce Krug Champagne? I made a distinct video about how to pronounce Krug, essentially Krug. How do you say Clos du Mesnil? You say Clos du Mesnil. Clos du Mesnil, the typical French pronunciation. Clos du Mesnil. Krug Champagne, Clos du Mesnil. This is a walled vineyard in the heart of the Mesnil-sur-Auger village in the heart of the Côte des Blancs, Champagne wine region of France. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.